Hello, my name is Brenda Hayward. This video is about learning how to maintain your financial security by owning your home. It doesn't have to be in a distant fantasy. In fact, making a decision is easier than you think. This video is called 9 Ways You Could Pay Off Your Mortgage Faster in 2023. You have the power. This video will highlight additional information to your questions on what other information can be helpful and add it to your need to know list on how to pay off your mortgage faster. Viewers, I hope you bought your notebook and pencil. Some of these ways to pay off your mortgage faster can be used as a reminder to do things while building and starting your journey towards paying off your mortgage. It is time to empower yourself with things you could do for yourself. Number one, consider putting down a larger down payment. As you consider putting down a larger down payment prior to purchasing a home, remember the more you have upfront, the less you would need to borrow. Ask the loan officer, do the calculations for yourself to know how much would the monthly payment be for the 30 year or the 15 year. A conventional loan requires 20% down. Or if you put less down in the purchase of your new home, you will have to add private mortgage insurance if the loan defaults. By putting 20% down towards the mortgage, you avoid the extra cost of PMI and can reduce your loan amount or term length. The money you will have been using to pay the PMI could be used to make payments during the years, which help you pay off the mortgage quicker. Number two, shop around for interest rates prior to buying. Shopping around for the best interest rate available to you is part of doing your research prior to making a decision on which lender can be a partner for the mortgage rates you will agree on you prior to your home purchase. Compare options prior to signing on the dotted line. Read what they are offering and use the calculator. One lender may offer a shorter loan period. However, the mortgage rates offered may make the payments very high. Paying off the mortgage may be important. However, would you be able to afford to do that? Please pull out your budget and ensure that the figures will work for you if you select the shortest mortgage term. Yes, you may have thought about putting more money down. However, you need to ask how much will it cost once you consider adding in the closing costs for the property. Don't be afraid of moving to another mortgage lender if the mortgage rate and the total for closing do not feel right or if you're getting a great deal. Number three, check your budget limit and stick to it. Checking and verifying your limit is the way of being able to afford the property once you move in. Yes, everyone has an idea of what the property should look like, from being having new appliances in the kitchen to having a backyard with no grass to enable you to put bricks down till you can add a pool in a few years. However, sometimes the list of minimum requirement forces us to extend the budget further than we should. If you want to pay off your mortgage earlier, please do not get into the more debt than you can handle. Check out your budget. Don't go above your projected budget. If you have time and like to do research, please review your mortgage affordability calculator that is on the internet to see how much you can truly afford and stay within that limit amount. By being limited to your projected budget, you most likely will have funds available at the end of the month. If your plan is to pay down the mortgage payment at this time, you have extra money to put towards the principal within the mortgage. Number four, if your funds are right, choose a shorter term loan. Now that you have reviewed your budget and your funds are right, and you have used the mortgage calculator, this is the opportunity to shorten the mortgage terms on your loan package. You have many options when it comes to which type of loan you can choose. Many first and recurring loans for home buyers are either the 30-year mortgage. However, if the funds are available and you're looking to pay off your mortgage faster, the 15-year loan is a good deal for you. Before you make the final decision, ask the lender if they could give you estimates for the 20 or 25 year, which may still not impact your current fund availability. Then make your decision on what fits you best. If you are offered a 30-year loan and you felt the payments were doable, then the 15-year payment is much higher because the loan will be paid off in half the time. If you are able to pay the 15-year loan, remember the interest rates are lower, you pay less interest over time, and you pay off your home in a shorter period of time. If the 15-year loan isn't an option, then as you get your pay raises, start to put some of the extra money towards the principal payments to reduce the time left on the mortgage. Number 5, start making biweekly payments. The idea of starting biweekly payments allows you to make half of the mortgage payment every 2 weeks, with an average of one payment per month. However, that is still 12 payments per year. With the bi-weekly payments, you end up making 26 payments or a total of 13 months of payments. Yes, in other words, you will begin making an extra payment towards the principal per year. The extra payment reduces the interest you pay over time, which allows you to repay the mortgage faster. Please check with your lender and see if the bi-weekly payment plan is an option available to you on your mortgage loan. Also, check with the lender to see if any additional funds received from you can go towards your mortgage principal only. Please follow every instruction they give you if they allow the process. Remember, the power you make changes in your future is yours. Since you are reviewing this video, you have thought about what your future should look like. Utilize that power and start today making a change towards paying off your mortgage. This video is called 5 Ways to Pay Off Your Mortgage Faster in 2023. You have the power. Please let me know if you like this video by clicking a thumbs up or leaving comments below. Also, if you have time, check out some of my other videos that may answer a few other questions you may have. My name is Brenda Hayward, and thanks for your time.